is a good way to start this video. We are heading down to Shopping Arcade. We are in Dotonbori. I'm going to take the shortcut. I was not expecting Santa Claus. Look at this crowd. There's where we're going to go here in just a minute. This is a different video. We'll walk up here briefly. It's a little bit of a repeat from the last video. Look at that. Everybody's getting their pictures. Everybody's wanting their pictures with this guy. Right there. Don't know why, don't know who he is. Somebody wants to tell me, I appreciate it. A little tourist boat. I don't know where it goes. Over here on the other side, less popular, but looks like it has a Ferris wheel over here. A few little restaurants down there. It's unbelievable how many people are trying to imitate that sign.
Oh, I also did the same thing. I thought I
Get over here a little further. I don't want to step in this guy's way. Said somebody tell me who he is and why he's so popular. I'd appreciate that. I could probably look it up on Google, but it's always better when you guys interact. Some videos have a huge number of comments, some none. So if you would leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. I do answer absolutely every comment. Every reasonable comment. Okay. We're not going to make this a 2-hour video, but we're going in. I want to see it. And I hope some of you want to see it. Japan, I like that. I think that's a goose. These tax-free stores are. Went and bought a couple things. Said tax-free, but where they get you, you got to have your passport. Give them the information. I didn't have my passport. Spent about $600. But I didn't know that I had to have my passport to get it tax-free. And silly me, I thought tax-free meant you go in, buy something, and it's tax-free. Wrong. You know, there's a lot of people out having fun. A lot of people with their friends. You don't see any drunks. It makes it so much better. Been in places like this before, not in Japan, but where you don't even want to walk through without a police escort. And I always walk through. A lot of times if I have a camera or something, I always put it away though. I like these Japanese fans. We are going to go over there just to see what's there, then come back across. I had some people I was told that I would try to meet later tonight. I told them it'd probably be midnight before I got back. It's 10 o'clock now. Oh, little green guy's flashing. I don't remember what country or countries it was. Instead of flashing like that, when it starts getting close, the little guy starts running. And the closer it gets, the faster he runs. I love that. Oh, McDonald's. Well, this place just got a touch of class. I'm not in McDonald's mood, but I gotta find something. It may end up being Watson's Chicken again. Won't be the first time. Confident it won't be the last. This is nice. I like these. I love how they have the roofs over them. Rainy days and snowy days. So many things are so well thought out. Oh my God. I looked over here, saw that. First thing that came to mind is I want to do it, but they're closed. Oh well. I really do want to try it, but I've got to be hungry and in the mood. I'm not hungry. Octopus ain't gonna be on my menu. There's the name of this place. Actually, both sides of the street are part of the same shopping arcade. I didn't know that until just a minute ago. Samurai souvenirs. do anything else, when I go to Tokyo, I'm going to go to the Samurai Museum. I've been to Tokyo 7 times. Every time I said, I'm going. I still haven't been. Next time, I'm going. Actually, where I'm looking at reserving a room is real close to it, so it shouldn't be too hard. Nice and bright down here. Always love these bright lights, bright lanterns. Yeah, some of that looks good. I always appreciate the plastic food, but it gives you an idea of what they have. So it's not a bad thing. So we're back out in the main area now. I don't know what the name of this place is. Somebody could read that for me and translate it. I would appreciate it. I may not be able to add it to the video once it's posted, but I can definitely add it to the description. I can say this is less exciting than the other. There you go. Little Pokemon backpacks. A Zoro t-shirt. Everything you need. Ooh, takoyaki. I don't know. Really wanted the other one. Nice. May regret it, but I'm going to do it. So just for reference, this is where we are, by the big Ferris wheel. And there is my takoyaki, my first time. It's going to be my first time trying it. It's about 10:30. This place is still pretty busy. I was told that about 8 o'clock you couldn't even get through here. So, I guess, here we go. Very hot. But in all honesty, it's really not too bad. So, takoyaki, octopus balls. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Right. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Check out the links in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.